Hey, you have created a beautiful, beautiful report and you wanted to send it to your colleague directly. Automatically, you would just copy the URL of the report and send it to colleague. But unfortunately, it opens the whole eazyBI instance. What to do? Go back to your report, find the new feature, copy report link, copy to clipboard, and send it to your colleague. Now colleague can click on it and open it. Remember that the colleague must have access to your eazyBI account to see the report. Hope it helps.